If you're a homeowner in North Carolina, there's something important happening right now that most people don't realize. Insurance companies are inspecting roofs without ever stepping on the property, or even losing coverage because of what those images show. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what insurers are doing, what they're looking for, why homeowners are getting caught off guard, and what you can do to protect yourself before it becomes a problem. Insurance companies are under more pressure than they've ever been before. Storm frequency is up, claim costs are higher, roofing materials and labor cost more than they did just a few years ago. To reduce risk, insurers are changing how they evaluate homes. Instead of waiting for a claim or sending someone out in person, many companies are now using drone and satellite imagery to review roofs remotely, often before renewal. This isn't just about storm damage anymore, it's about risk assessment. And here's the key thing homeowners need to understand. Insurers are no longer asking, is the roof leaking? They're asking, does this roof look like a future problem?